Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I have a small AliExpress haul that I wanted to share with you. They are things that I've been ordering within the past month, and I've just been collecting them as they trickle in because they do take a while to arrive. But the prices are great, and I love ordering from there. So I'll just show you the things that I have received so far. I do have more coming, of course. But I bought these book plates, which I think will be really nice to use on journals. And it comes with a bunch. And I don't remember what the price was, but I never spend a lot when I order from Ali, and usually everything is free shipping, which is nice too. It just takes a long time to get here, but it eventually does. I've been ordering like 10 years now, and I've never had an issue. So I love this trim. I bought it before, so I went ahead and bought it again, and this time I ordered 2 of them because I love it so much. I love using it in my journals. This is the right way. So I got 2 of those. And I recently did a Winnie the Pooh journal. So I ordered Winnie the Pooh charms to hang as dangles. And it's Eeyore, Tigger, Winnie the Pooh, and Piglet. They're very cute. And I think you get, I've used some already, I think you get 3 of each. So those are cute. I like those. And for Winnie the Pooh, I also wanted, you know, for his honey pot, I wanted some other charms, so I got some honeycomb and bees, and I'm sure this summer I'll be doing a bee journal or something like that I can use them for also. Here, I'll give you a closer look. Those are cute. And then I got some other little dangly charms, a whole bunch of them. I think it's cute. Just add as little dangles and things. Jewelry, journal jewelry. Hey, Felix. And then I got some keys. Sometimes I like adding keys to some of my vintage journals. So got a package of a bunch of keys. They're nice. They're all the same. And then I got some butterfly charms to use for dangles. Felix, you need to get down, buddy. More journal jewelry. Cute. There's a lot of them in this one. And then the really great thing that I got, which I think all of you are going to be interested in, is the paper trimmer blades. And these were really inexpensive. I think, forget how much I paid, but I got 5 of them for maybe $3 or $4. And they go on my Fiskars. I read the review where people said they work exactly like the ones that they've been buying, and they are, and they come in little teeny cute containers. And let's try one. So this is one that I bought from Michael's. I've gotten them at Walmart before, And they weren't cheap. I want to say I paid $7 for maybe 3, something like that. But let's see how this works. Maybe it doesn't work on this one, because they're smaller. Let's see. This one definitely slides. I might have purchased the wrong ones. Let's see. Should work. Okay, so I guess that was a fail. I need to look for the bigger ones. So when I get the bigger ones, I will let you know if they work and which ones they are. So I'm not sure what this would fit. It does go inside, it just doesn't slide. So yeah, that was a fail. That's the first time I've had something not work the way I wanted it, but that's okay. It was only a few dollars. So that's my haul for today from AliExpress. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and there will be another one probably forthcoming today. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified when our new videos post. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, be well, take care, and all that good stuff. Bye-bye, friends.